Just Dance featuring Colby O'Donis, Love Game Paparazzi, Beautiful Dirty Rich, AA, Nothing Else I Can Say, Poker Face, Fame, My Honey, Again, Boys, 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 Brown Eyes, Summer Boy. This was the Lady Gaga CD in 2008, one of the most popular ones. And, I don't know if I'd say this one was better than Born This Way, which I'll also do a review on maybe within this week probably. But this is a great CD and you can get it anywhere for $10 or under. So yeah, I recommend the CD as well.